Eliminex here. We trapped the raccoons up on this roof. We have to pest proof the gable vent on the front. I'm going to do that later. And then I made sure there's no more activity. They're coming in and out of these vents, but I don't suspect they're living in the attic of this roof because I didn't catch any inside. So I pest proofed that. I pest proofed that because they did get into the building, even on the first floor. So they made a hole in the ceiling, but I caught them. I think I caught them all. Caught enough anyways for them to go away. And monitored for another week and a half. No activity. Well, one or two on the roof. And that's it. Capped everything off. And I think this is a wrap.